Uy, nandiyan pala kayo. So, sorry, napapasarap kain ko ng choco lava cake mula sa Sensational Bites. You can go check their IG and FB page over here. So, bale, pampa-energize ko lang to habang gagawa ko ng bagong video natin. Harap. Okay, actually itong choco lava cake na to, it's from Sensational Bites, from our good friend Azel Ocampo, and she's actually from Bicol. Pumunta lang sila dito sa Manila kasi medyo mahirap dahil kasama sila sa mga nabagyo, and kailangan din nila ng electricity dahil medyo mahirap pa yung connections ng electricity dun sa amin sa Bicol. So while she's here, go check her page, her IG and FB page, tapos order na rin kayo ng choco lava cake. Alright? Oh, by the way, yung sa video natin ngayon, I'll be sort of retiring our sling bag. Ito, medyo matagal na yung servisyo niya sa akin. So, gagawin ko is, I'll be creating a new bag, pero instead na body bag, like this one, or actually side bag, kasi yun yung usually gamit ko dito, I'll be creating a chest rig, or chest bag. So, before that, nga pala, meron tayong dumating na ayuda. This one. This one is the BADOOK Clothing from Destro and Bell Lasso. So, bago ko ituloy yung video, palit muna ako. Alright? Alright, so nakapag-bis na ako. Okay, again, I would like to say thank you to Destro and Bell Lasso of BADOOK Clothing. Thank you for getting me as part of your ambassadors list. And sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kasi kahit small channel pa lang ako, and yung reach natin hindi pa masyado ganun kalawak. You chose me as to be part of your clothing ambassadors. And thank you for believing in me and believing in our mission and vision here in Zebian, Manila. And yun yung para makapagturo tayo ng libre sa mga kapwa Pilipino natin. So, thank you so much. And sobrang natutuwa lang ako kasi hindi ko inaakala na darating yung ganito sa buhay ko. So, influencer na ako! Anyway, thank you again. And by the way, if you're watching this video, you have a chance to get a free shirt from us, from me and BADOOK Clothing. And just check the whole video kung paano nyo makukuha yung giveaway natin. Alright? So, I'll start our new video now and enjoy. Alright, time out muna tayo mga ZEBSCRIBERS. Again, I would like to say thank you to Bell Lasso and Destro Lasso of BADOOK Clothing. And since kinuha nila tayo, syempre gusto ko din i-share blessings nila sa akin. So, if you would like to get your own shirt, just input our code BDK Zebian Manila, or I will be putting it down here on the video. Pwede din sa ating descriptions, sa video descriptions. And pag-order kayo, just put it put on the code para meron kayong 10% off. So every time you order, 10% off on your orders. So don't forget the code para makuha nyo yung discount na yon. Sayang din yung 10% ah. So again, thank you to Bel Lazo and Dastro Lazo of Badook Clothing. Because it's an honor for me na kahit maliit pa lang yung channel ko, they're pushing me and supporting me on my mission and vision, which is, syempre, yung makapagturo tayo na libre ng leather crafting sa kapwa Pilipino natin, and that way, meron silang pagkakakitaan. So, ano pinihintay nyo? Order na! But don't forget to put on the code BDK Zebian Manila. I will be putting it down here below. So, thank you and salamat na marami. Okay? So, back to the video. Quick update lang, bale naikabit ko na yung sa front nung bag natin, nung chest rig. Bale nilagyan ko siya ng parang pocket dito sa front, pwedeng lagyan ng cellphone or cards na pang card for parking and kahit mga resibo. Tapos dito nilagyan ko ng hook para yung pwede natin ilagay yung susi or anything na pwede mo ipasok dito. And yung dito sa pocket na to, bali nilagyan ko ng yung magic tape. Bali, for example, like this. Ito, going to sa friends ko from Pampanga. Yung RGKD club. Biking club sila. So, it's actually an iron-on patch. Pero ginawa ko, nilagay ko siya para pwede mong i-dikit like this. Alright, so, sample. Yan. So, I'm thinking of to make one for ZEBIAN Manila. Para kahit saan man ako pumunta, parang sort of advertisement na rin. And nilagyan ko siya ng garterized na ano dito. Parang garter para pwede kang mag-hook ng, for example, lighter. Pwede kang maglagay ng lighter like this. Okay, parang ganyan. So hindi siya malalaglag. Alright. So this one is another pocket. Yung sa paglagay ng zipper, pwede kong ituro next time. So, ayun. And, syempre, yung phone natin, pwede natin ilagay dito sa loob. So, bale, nabutasan ko na siya lahat. Yun yung medyo tedious and medyo mahirap, kaya hindi tuloy-tuloy yung video. Bale, ginawa ko is, sinukat ko siya, and same as dun sa mga ikakabit natin. For example, this one, ito yung mga sa sides natin, itong dalawa. And syempre ito yung sa top. So bali isinukat ko na yung dito sa taas, this one, para nakasukat na siya dito, pati yung holes, and yung connection niya is yung dito sa ilalim. Like this one. Alright. So I'll continue doing it and I'll show you some snippets na lang, and yun. So para later I can show you the finished product. Okay, so here yung zipper. Hopefully by next video maituro ko yung simpleng paggawa ng paglagay ng zippers. Alright. Alright, so we're finally done with our still unnamed na chest rig or chest bag natin. And here it is. Okay, so to wear this, parang isipin mo na lang parang may backpack ka. So pasok mo lang siya dito. And over here. Tapos, clip it on lang. And get the other side and clip it on also. Alright, so that's it. It's as easy as that. Bale, ginawa ko dalawa yung dito. I mean, apat yung sa clip-ons nung buckle natin. Clip-on na buckle para mas mabilis kapag, for example, for security checks, pipindutin mo lang, tanggal, lagay mo sa x-ray machine, and that's it. So, pampabilis na lang din siya. Tapos, ng workflow, I mean, pampabilis din siya para kapag security sa mall or sa hotels, since I'll be using this most of the time kapag may wedding. Syempre, pag pupunta din sa grocery, mas mabilis lang din siya. So, meron siyang pocket dito. Parang small pocket na pwedeng lagyan ng resibo. Tapos, yung garter natin dito and yung magic tape na pwedeng ganito. So, shout out to RGKD. They're a biking club in Pampanga. Tapos, you have your pocket over here, zippered pocket. Pwede mo ilagay yung cellphone dito or any device na kailangan mo. And syempre yung main body or main na lalagyan mo ng wallet or anything else. So it's here. Tapos meron kang clip dito na pwede mong lagyan ng susi. So, susi or anything na pwede mong i-clip on. Bale, I'll be using this mostly since mga weddings para mas free yung kamay ko to use the cameras to shoot. And pwede ako maglagay ng pwede kong mga i-clip on dito. So, over here, ito yung strap. Like this one. Actually, plano ko pang lagyan dito ng clip on para kung, for example, maggagawa ako ng SD card holder, pwede ko siyang i-clip on lang din dito and mas mabilis sa workflow. So again, here's my still unnamed na body bag or I mean chest bag or chest rig. So look here at the photos para makita nyo yung details. Me and my wife conducted a donation drive for our family and friends and our fellow Bicolanos who were affected by the Typhoon Rolly and Ulysses. So we would like to say a heartfelt and sobrang maraming salamat sa tulong ninyo. So here are some of the photos that went through the donation and the feeding program that we had, that our family conducted who are in Bicol. And again, thank you for your donations. Maraming salamat. Alright, so earlier, sabi ko dun sa naunang part ng video, I'll be raffling off yung a shirt from BADOOK Clothing, this one, the one I'm wearing right now. Tatakpan lang nitong ano natin. Anyway, I'll be raffling off to one lucky person. Bale, it's sort of in partnership with Badoo Clothing, and parang pasasalamat ko na rin since kinuha nila tayo na ambassador nga. So what you have to do is just comment below on the video kung, let's say, kung bibigyan ka ng chance na mag-design ng isang shirt, ano yung shirt design na gusto mong gawin or gusto mong ilagay dun sa t-shirt na yon. So yun lang. Just put your comment below kung ano yung design na gusto mong gawin, and that's it. And pipili ako kung sino yung maswerte na tao na bibigyan natin ng free shirt from Badoo Clothing. Alright? So, pero kung gusto mo i-share yung video, syempre, maraming salamat for that one. And lastly, bale, earlier, since nasabi ko na I'll be retiring this one, and sayang naman kasi wala nang gagamit nito, I'll have it for giveaway na lang din. Bale, papalitan ko lang yung strap kasi luma na. So, to enable or para makasali ka dun sa giveaway for the bag, ayun, comment ka lang kung ano yung gusto mong mapanood pa sa videos natin. Pwede ka din mag-comment kung ano yung design na gusto mo para 2-in-1 yung pwede mong mapanalunan or mas maraming chance ka na manalo sa giveaway natin. Alright? So that's it. Thank you again to Badoo Clothing for getting me as part of your ambassadors list. And please do support them. Check it out here. And for more of our videos, go check here. And that's it. So just mabalos and peace out.